araw na ngayong umaga na to.
With no strings
Daing
tying
at
you to
saka yung
me.
hot soup.
I'm happy in your company with no emotion, cause my love deserves to be free.
Ayan po yung
I never
daing.
wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you
Ngayong araw na
down.
to, ngayong
I know
umaga.
you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now.
Yun lang po, kaya natin gawing kainin at masyal.
You told me you don't really do commitment, trust me. Consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved. Cause I never wanna play happy families
Kain
with
tayo.
you, but I like having you
Kain tayo
around.
mga ka-stroker.
I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. So when you stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now.